Hi, my name is Peter. Today I'm gonna show you because I have a problem. I have to change my fork shock with forks on my Santa Cruz, and my Santa Cruz before has a Rockshox revelation. But the problem is the end cap from Rockshox and Fox. It's different. End cap from usually for Fox you can use it for Rockshox, but Rockshox you cannot use it for Fox because look at this on my hub. If the hub is a DT Swiss, you can swap it, but the problem is the hub. This one SRAM. This one is a SRAM MTH 716. So the end cap is big. Show you here. So the end cap, it's big, so it's gonna fit on Rockshox. But the end cap for, you see the Fox, it's smaller, so this one it won't fit. So what I did, I just shift the end cap, you know, close to the fork like this. I shave it. You see how much it's different? So I have four DT Swiss right here, and if you see, this one is the same size, so this one will work for Fox. You see the thickness here? So this one, it's gonna slide in right here, and voila, it's work. So I have to do the other one to shave it. I'm gonna show you how to shave it. Alright, right now how I show you here, because this one has a something, you know, higher, so I put the O-ring on it, so it's gonna flat. So this one my grinder, so I slide it in, and this one has moving, so I can wiggle it. So right now I put the other O-ring here to stop it. Okay, right now I already set it up. You see that hub? Because I'm gonna cut it low, so I put the ring, the washer here. I already cut the size of my end cap, so when I cut and hit this metal, it's mean I'm done. So this one is not 100% like lathe, really straight, but well, it will help. Tighten up, and if you need more like balance, make it straight a little. Alright, it's good enough. So to shave it, I use my cutting. So this is metal cutting. So this one turn this way, and I turn the other way. But don't press it too hard. See, Don't forget safety. Ready? Stop it to check it. If you see right here the groove, so the big part is already missing, and right now the washer for the size, it's already there. See, so which is good. Let's try. Careful, it's hot. Okay, let's see right now if it still hit the lips. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. Now let's slide it in. Ooh, nice. It's worked. Now, because I'm using a grinder, it's a lot of debris right here. It's really rough, so I'm gonna use my sand right here. Now it looks better. So if you guys like it, you can paint it black and you can install it. Alright, I'll show you later how it works. The end cap is already painted, you see here. I already paint and I put it on, just click on. And the other side too. So now it's getting small. Now let's put it on.
Silver Sneakers Fitness and Wellness Program and an allowance for over-the-counter items. I count on my Blue Shield Medicare plan. Annual enrollment ends December 7th. Call 866. Many people are saying.
All right. Now it's in.
The results of both Nevada and Pennsylvania are crystal clear. They will not change. And
and that many other states were called with less information. So
Okay.
why are these states still not
That's
being
good.
called? Joe Scarborough, who's liberal-minded with NBC, says there is no reason why the networks are not calling Pennsylvania, providing right now anyone who knows the
So
state
everything
can
checked
review
out.
data, follow the trends, and know you will
No
be
squeezing,
by tens of thousands of
no squeaking, no anything. Has some space over there,
Try to stay at the Four Seasons
and voila, it's work.
Sometimes the top tier choices are so good it's hard to pick. John King, the beast of the board.
This is my Santa Cruz is 2019.
Over on NBC, Steve Kornacki is
So
very nervous.
with the art bill is the lowest one. So usually art bill come with the Rockshox. So all right, hopefully it's helpful. Thank you. Bye now.